Hola, amigos. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're bringing the vibrant flavors of Mexico to your kitchen with a twist. Get ready for a step-by-step tutorial on how to make authentic tacos al pastor with a chicken variation. These tacos are packed with marinated and grilled chicken, bursting with delicious spices and flavors. Let's dive right in and get cooking. But before we start, let's go over the ingredients you'll need to make these authentic chicken tacos al pastor. They're full of traditional Mexican flavors and easy to find in your local grocery store. For our authentic chicken tacos al pastor, you'll need 1.5 pounds, 680 g, of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, thinly sliced. 1 large onion, roughly chopped. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. 3 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. 2 tablespoons of achiote paste. 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Salt and pepper, to taste. Fresh pineapple slices, for grilling. Corn tortillas. Optional garnishes, chopped cilantro, diced onions, lime wedges, and salsa. Alright, now that we have our ingredients ready, let's jump into the step-by-step process of creating our authentic chicken tacos al pastor. The first thing we need to do is prepare the marinade for the chicken. Once our marinade is ready, it's time to marinate the thinly sliced chicken. Place the chicken in a bowl or resealable bag, and pour the marinade over it. Ensure each slice is well coated. Let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or overnight for maximum flavor. While the chicken is marinating, let's prepare our grilling surface. If using a grill, preheat it to medium-high heat. If using a stovetop, heat a grill pan or skillet over medium-high heat. Now, it's time to grill our marinated chicken and pineapple slices. Grill the chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side until it's nicely charred and cooked through. Grill the pineapple slices until they develop grill marks and caramelize slightly. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. Then, thinly slice it into bite-sized pieces. Now, let's warm our corn tortillas. You can do this by placing them directly on the grill or heating them in a dry skillet over medium heat for about 30 seconds on each side. Host demonstrates warming the corn tortillas on the grill or stovetop. It's time to assemble our authentic chicken tacos al pastor. Take a warm tortilla and place a few slices of grilled chicken on it. Top it off with a grilled pineapple slice and any optional garnishes you desire. And there you have it. Our authentic chicken tacos al pastor are ready to be devoured. The combination of flavors and textures is truly irresistible. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe tutorial and that it inspires you to make your own authentic chicken tacos al pastor at home. They're perfect for fiestas, Taco Tuesdays, or any day you're craving a taste of Mexico. The tender and flavorful chicken combined with the sweetness of the grilled pineapple is an absolute fiesta for your taste buds. That wraps up today's video. If you loved this authentic chicken tacos al pastor recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. And as always, let us know in the comments what recipes you'd like to see next. Buen provecho, happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more amazing and exciting tutorial.